Now let's go and see the wall, okay? Yeah, it is a big house. Oh, it is sunny. So, and I'm still not finished, but you can see the wall. It is really big. This mosaic wall is my lifesaver, and it took me 3 years. So every year was a big challenge. Many of you have to face some challenges like me. I started this wall in 2019, so I didn't have YouTube, so I didn't have so many videos, but just short ones because I was on Instagram and I made many stories there. I can show you the stories from Instagram so you can see all the progress. I started here to paint the dove. It is for my dad, his spirit. He died in 2002. There is a story, but I have to find the courage to talk about it. And I know some of you have maybe even the same experience, and I want to give you courage. But let's see, okay? Now relax and enjoy. I hope really you got inspired, especially about challenges, because you have to get up to forgive and to understand what life is all about. It is hard work, I know, but this is the only way to have peace in our lives. You are for me not just a subscriber or a supporter, but you are much more than that. I feel like we are connected because I can see when I'm down who helps me, who are not helping me, even with family members. I know some of you have the same problem, so let's try to do the best because we have just one life and we have to take care about it. It is very precious. One day we're gone, and so if we can leave some good memories and people will remember us, that's actually a beautiful thing. You enjoy and take care.